Oh, no, 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 no.
Good. Hey, what's up? I said, I'm betting on my. You lost, you come back. I said, if I lost, I was gonna run it back. No. Listen. No. Bruce, you did. I said, you was running that it don't even matter if you lose on the 125. Hey, look. You say you wanted to run it back if you win on the 125. Beat you. I bet you won't bet 100 on the line. I bet you won't bet 100 on the line. Don't trick that shit. It's over with. It's over with. And I said if I beat him on 125, you don't need to see me on the phone. It's over with. It's the other two battles. Whatever other two battles y'all got come through out there playing and he won his money. We need practice a meal. We not doing one back. It's over with. It's over with. If they bet it, but I tried to bet, he told me it was a first bet. We not playing no more money on that. It's over with. Why complain about it? We won. He definitely been an extra hard. Shamar, you said that. Shamar, you said that. Shamar said that. So guess what? It's over with. We still family. Now we gonna come to North Carolina. We gonna put a ride out together in North Carolina. It's friendly. Just strictly friendly, bro. You said 2 out of 3 on my line. I said, and I would get him smoke on a 450 for free, but hey, let's do it. What we pick, start, clutch, grab, back break. Hey, well, guess what? That 500 came out of my pocket, and guess what? If I owe you 100, you ain't never gonna be broke. Listen, I'm not happy with none of this shit. But I gave my money. Exactly. And guess what? Bro, you been there all week trying to get weight in the bank. You been there all week trying to get weight in the bank. And they came with no rules. They said I'm gonna keep my wheels up. Bruce, you told me, I delivered, and guess what? I promise you, every dollar I got in my back pocket will never get bet on no shit like this again. I've been on dice before I've been on Vikings. I've been on dice. I promise. Because you want to know why? There was too much bullshit in this shit. But you shouldn't.
A real one right here, man. My man Chuck, man. For real. He did it for the culture. A lot of you niggas wouldn't have never did that. Real man shit. Shit crazy, man.
I wish they showed when people was on.
Then there's gonna be a whole bunch of bullshit tomorrow, I swear.
Man, what?
I ain't even care to ride tomorrow.
I ain't even really entertained, but I'm just gonna ride my ride, bro.
If we go like Jack, I like you versus Jack tomorrow. I'd like to see that. I ain't gonna lie.
Me too.
Jack act like he wanted it so bad.
He did want it so fucking bad.
Jack act like he wanted it so bad.
If he wasn't sent to the motherfucker.
Yo, we just talking to after, man. We ain't no smoke, man. We just talking, kicking shit back. You know what I'm saying? Giving the after show, man. Trying to see what happened, what didn't happen, what should have happened, how we could do better. That's all.
We talking to the op, we talking to the people.
They seen it though, but they also seen what boy went through.
You say I'm posting all highlights when I just showed you the biggest downfall I dropped.
I ain't fuck with him, man. That man raw, man. That's what we want to show.
Appreciate you, my boy.
Yeah, there's a lot of shit going on, like a lot of these things. Shit.
That's all we saying. We just addressing that. I still lost at the end of the day. That's all I'm saying.
I said, see, y'all fuck, cause the bullshit. That was so bullshit.
He held his boy down. The whole NC supposed to have been cutting up though, but sure enough.
You said, and you know you did. You said you was gonna give him a battle on your 125, and then you was gonna give him a battle on your 450. No.
He didn't say afterwards. He did.
Your mom came up to me and said, "We not running shit back."
Come through out there playing and he won his money. We need practice a meal. We not doing one back. It's over.
When we first started Raise Up, bro, I never forget. You know, when Buddha pulled up, they called us, matter of fact. They didn't even pull up. They called us. Buddha called us, was like, yo, so we pulled up. We go down Brooklyn, we meet them on West Bay. You know, we pull our bikes out and stuff, and we ride back and forth. And turns out they didn't want to battle, they just want to, you know, ride with us, which is understandable at those times. And we just rode. And not only that, we met Buddha. They introduced us to Raise Up Buddha, who was recording at the time. He told us our movement, hey, I'm Raise Up Buddha, I'm trying to do this, I'm positive, political, this, that, third.
We raising it up here in Baltimore City.
All we gave a damn about was he had a camera and he was gonna put it on YouTube. And at the time, we didn't even know how to do so. One of my favorite scenes with Raise It Up was Nuclear Cowboys. Nuclear Cowboys, hands down. When we did Nuclear Cowboys, man, I was like 18, 19 years of age. We going to Royal Farms, the Royal Farms Arena to meet up with, you know, the Twisters, Robbie Madison, Metal Militia guys. Bro, I was like, what? Going, looking at all their bikes. They showing us the first time we ever seen those gold-plated, like, you know, rat bikes and stuff. I was sized, bro, like a kid and having 19. And I was the youngest one in the group at the time and treated us like kings. They allowed our families coming for free. They gave discounts to everybody that used the code Raise It Up. It was a dope experience, and we passed that experience off to New York so they can also, Go Hard Boys can account for the same experience with them. Nuclear Cowboys was just a vibe, hangout scene type of thing. We didn't ride. They didn't allow us to ride. We did watch them, Robbie Madison and Twitch and all them ride. But my favorite all-time action-packed video was this one.
You better keep your right, don't let them catch you lagging in the field. Baltimore, this shit get real. 12-year-olds, they train to kill. If you rap, you sign a deal. Your bro overdose, start the pill. You tripping, you don't know how I feel. We eating, we ain't missing meals. I'ma keep on grinding till I make it. And bitch, we don't play no games. Give me your life or I take it. And I'ma keep on shining.
I looked so young, bro. Number 14, Raise Up 14 trailer, I believe. Chino and I going like this, swagging. First time we ever did this. We don't rehearse nothing, guys. We just came out at these age, 19, 20, Chino 13, 12. We like, no rehearsal, just come out and just do this shit. Another favorite of mine was 13, Part 13. I believe that was me on the Banshee.
I had to tell a bitch slow down when we duck off, you tip me later. I ain't been the same in a while now. I be paranoid, I can't put my gun down. With the switchy on the back, I catch it hop and he gon' splat. I tell my spotters that I love him, go and catch another hat.
Mind you, that was back in 2011, 10. Raise It Up was that one of them things, bro. I loved the Raise It Up, man. And we had the shirts. Everybody had the shirts. Florida even Raise It Up. Florida even came out with a Raise It Up joint back then. Miami.
Gang, baby. Raise it up. Hey, who would I fuck with? Charlie, Lil Steve, Lil Dad. I fuck with all y'all, man.
What happened with Raise It Up was, you know, the guys, we just grew up and they grew apart, you know, and I wrote Raise
What?
Under Raise It Up and 12 O'Clock Boys, you know, until like 25, 26, till I got to jail, come home, you know, from jail. And when I come back from jail, it was a whole different crowd. Like, I probably would have retired the same way and stopped riding the same way, if not as probably drastic, if I didn't get in an accident. If I fall off this Banshee and break my right leg, then what? Break my right arm, then what? It's not just my right arm, it's this. It's not just this, it's this left clavicle was broke. It's fucked up. You know, clavicle damage, you know, I had surgery and that's all rigged up. I messed that up, messed this up. I know how it feels not to be able to use the whole left side of the body. When I got my accident, you know, on the set of that movie, it was 4 ribs, front and back I broke. It was my clavicle I broke. I degloved my left foot, I have drop foot in my right foot. And I suffered a major concussion where I was out cold for a couple minutes. I was bad off, bro. So I understand how that feels, and that is frightening. But, you know, I had to conquer that fear and climb back up on those bikes and ride it again to tell myself that I could do it. And again, that's why I do it now. But as I was doing that and me being in the hospital, being ashamed and outside looking in, I discovered something else. I discovered, like, damn, wow. You know, I could be a spectator too. It's cool to be a spectator. It's cool to put these two kids together and let them battle. That's cool, bro. You should reach out and, you know, construct these kids, because it's a culture and it's a group, it's a community, and each one teach one. And in our community, we don't teach each other. We don't show each other. We just steal and take, and we let the cultural vultures come in and get their piece of it and then retire. And they don't even take the risk. They don't have the same love. And that's where we at with it. I want to see these battles happen. Call that person out. Don't do it like how Joe did it too. Joe called Fruit out. Fruit answered, said bring him. Joe showed up. Now, did the battle go the way I wanted to go? Nope. I didn't like it as a spectator, as an analyst, as a Bikelife analyst. That's my new title. Listen, business, don't take my new title. I'm the one and only first ever Bikelife analyst. Stephen A. Smith type shit, you heard? But back to what I'm saying, I didn't like it, but again, me saluting Fruit, saluting Joe, because they both pulled up the battle. And god damn it, half of you mugger lovers wouldn't do that. Y'all would not pull up to that nigga city, especially ATL. Boy had a handful of niggas with him, had a handful of men with him. And them men lined up and they all went to war. Fruit had another handful, well, a dozen. And they went to war. Salute the mama Bikelife. Like I said, bro, I'm here to make Bikelife great again. And that's all I'm trying to do. And it's not just gonna take me, it's not an I think, it's a we. We all have to contribute to make Bikelife great again. We all have to contribute. I wanna start talking about my accident, right?
Hey, Bigfoot, I got you.
Should I keep that arm still?
A little video. What you gotta say?
12 o'clock boy for life,
man. You're coming?
12 o'clock boy for life.
I need
Cause I think y'all should know that. Y'all should know what happened. We're gonna start with what happened first. And what happened first was this. I did Charms to the Kings.
Like every Sunday in the summer, everybody with a bike show out. As bikes far as you can see. Hold the bike back, a wheel.
Charm City Kings was the eye opener to show me that, damn, this shit is serious, because Hollywood came to the hood. They didn't come to the hood because of me. They came to the hood because of Biker Boy Pug. They came to the hood to film his documentary, well, to recreate his documentary and spin it off into a movie. And shout out to Pug for bringing Hollywood to the hood, because that gave me an opportunity to become a stuntman. And I thank you for that, my brother. You know, Wayne called me, yo, Shamar. Tuesday, I'll never forget, it was a Tuesday, I'm working, this at the time, me and Chris together, he calls me, yo bro, yo man, y'all off tomorrow? I'm like, yeah, I'm off. He's like, well look, pull up. I pull up at this address, this at the third. I pull up to the address, you know, I called Charlie. Charlie, yo, come on, Wayne called you? He said, no. I said, all right, well, pull up. Boom. Me and Charlie pull up next day. We walk in, the producer see us, the director see us. They was on Charlie. As soon as he seen Charlie, he recognized him. Boop, we both got booked. Signed our names, and like I said, I was the one of me and Dante, my boy Dante, was the first. We worked the first day, and it was like a September. It was hot as hell, and me with my shirt off. And at that scene, we was riding it back and forth from a Pug supposedly house. And we riding up and down the street, but damn man, damn. Yeah, that was a good day. Miss Jackie, I met Miss Jackie the first day. She came, picked up our bikes, transported it for us, because the mayor said we couldn't ride our bikes to set. They had to have it transported to bring our bikes to set. And then they kept our bikes the whole entire time of filming. They kept our bikes the whole 3-4 months. And I did that, and I'm so happy. At the time, I'm just coming home. I was f***ed up, student. I was, my pockets was skinny. I ain't had nothing. I was working at a car wash, getting paid $11 an hour. And here I am on Charm City Kings. They gave me time off, and I was able to film the movie and work at the same time. But the first day was the realest day, bro. And then, you know, the days went on. Let me start. We just trying to teach my young boy how to get his wheelies up, man. Oh, shit. What you do now? Try and get young boy nice, man. I'm out here doing my due diligence, man. This is what we gotta do for our team. Literally, this is what you do. I'm literally gonna show you. Show you so easy. Oh, he got the black forces on. He is not playing no game. Oh, they supreme. All right. So first we're gonna use the hill to our advantage. So basically when you get on, you know where to break at. I want you at the end of Blooper. That's what I get for always doing stuff with my kids. Thank you, okay? You're not in trouble. Yeah. Same thing. Let it roll back, get away from the car. Remember how we was doing it the last time? Where you every time it came up, you see it come up, what you do? Hit the brake, right?
Yeah.
Same thing. Use the heel to your advantage. Every time you feel. Hey, don't yank too hard. Like as you yank it, hit the gas. So smooth. So like yank it and pull the gas in at the same time. Yep, that's a good one. Same thing. That's it. Oh, we're gonna be learning by 4:30. We're gonna be learning at 4:30. We're gonna have this. I told y'all. I said he gonna learn how to wheelie from there to there. There to there. By 5 o'clock. I'm gonna say 4:30 now. How he looking? Okay, stop looking at the bike. You look forward, just like basketball. Just like basketball. Just like basketball. Stop looking down. All right. Just like basketball, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know, soccer now. Soccer, you might hit that 2-step or something. But basketball, you looking at what you doing. How my name gonna be Willie King if my dog ain't nice on the bike? That don't even make sense, dog. Like, I'm running around this talking about, oh, I'm Willie King, I'm Willie King. I'm Willie King 7, I'm Willie King 7, and my dog is not 12ing. I gotta get my dog right, bro. That's all I'm trying to do is get my mans and them straight, you know what I mean? Come on, man, you only been here 15 minutes. You see that? Stop playing with us. Real quick, from right there up. Lean left, lean left. Turkey. Take a break, man. Go ahead. You got it? Take your time. Lean, lean, lean. Damn. All you had to do is lean. Nah, with me, man. I'm the best on LTA King, man. Tell him, babe, I'm the best, right? Who's going with me, huh?
Budget when I'm spending. Like what you know about having digits? How your mama smiling grinning. Hey, I'm that same nigga. Bad in school, always up in detention. My teacher didn't think I would make it. I'm like, bitch, you should've listened. I be dripping, diamonds glisten. Pull up SRT, my engine. When I cook though, I feel like my granny in that kitchen. Hey, his whole hooked on me. She say I'm KLC, I'm finger licking. Hey, dog boy, my white tee polo. Hey, my jeans are mirror skinnies. I feel safest in the trenches. I guess that's just how I'm living. Yeah.
Ain't no out, we serve my campus for